In a potentiometer experiment, the balancing with a cell is at a length of 240 centimeter. On shunting the cell with a resistance of 2 ohms, the balancing length becomes 120 centimeter. What is the internal resistance of the cell? Right now, there is a direct formula which you might have read in the textbooks, in the Design Tutorials textbooks or somewhere else also, which says that if we have to find the internal resistance, then our internal resistance R, if R is the internal resistance, this is given by L1 minus L2 divided by of L2 into the external resistance which is connected, or the shunt, right? So where L1 initial length was how much? 240 centimeter, L2 was 120 centimeter, and R is 2 ohms, right? So that means this will be equal to 120 divided by 120 into 2 ohms. So this will be equal to what? 2 ohms. So that means option C is correct. So this was basically a direct formula based question, but it was basically on potentiometer, which generally students leave, right? We leave this potentiometer, this meter bridge question, basically theory part. So it is advisable, especially in AIEEE, that you do these things. Like right now in IIT also, these questions are being asked. Questions on potentiometer, meter bridge, etc., vernier caliper. So it has now become an important thing to do this part, because generally questions from this part are relatively easy, right? They are easy, and less students attempt these questions because most of the students leave this question, right? So it is very important to do these questions, and to do the basically the theory part of this part, basically the potentiometer, the meter bridge, vernier calipers, and these things, because definitely there will be 1 or 2 questions definitely in every paper of IIT and AIEEE.